Let me tell you something. The stuff that people have now is really ridiculous. The way the world is, you know, everybody's got shit you give to yourself. Anxiety. Everybody has anxiety, except Latinos. We don't. And we're the ones that should. Who's out there? You see people and you're like, are you all right? I have anxiety, all right? Fucking take it easy. You're fucking giving me anxiety. Relax. Then you have anxiety, you either take a pill or you go to the doctor and they let you carry a fucking dog everywhere you go. That's the cure? A fucking Pomeranian? I'm better. You know what Latinos use for anxiety? African American people? Some chinitos? Right here. Where's your dog? My dog? Oh. Oh, chinga. I sold them and I bought weed. Fucker was giving me anxiety. More chinga with that barking. None of that stuff works. Listen.